Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get into the service direction, the service setup of your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback for your front shield blades. So, we are sitting inside the car, and if you're going to change the windshield blades, you have to get into the service status. So for this we will need the ignition key. Dock the ignition key into the ignition lock. Now you have to rotate it to ignition on. You do not have to turn on the engine. It's only the way you have to switch to ignition on. That it is. And then if you switched off the ignition, you have to get the lever for the windshield wipers down. So that means ignition off, windshield wiper down. Here we are. That is the service status for windshield blades. Now it's easy to replace them. Yeah, that is a hidden feature in your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. To get back in a busy operation service stand of your front shield blade wipers, the only one thing you have to do is after you replace the front shield blades is turn the ignition on and then push the lever down again. Job's done. We are back in business. Easy as you can see. So ignition on, ignition off, and then turn the windshield lever down. This is the service. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.